Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this section, we will understand the product Trello. Okay, we'll understand Trello, the product. So in this session, we will do two things. First, we will understand what is the product vision of Trello. It is very important for product managers to understand the product vision and align with the strategic objectives of the product. So we cannot, for example, if Trello is a project management solution and then there are ideas like, for example, why don't you create a HR solution, or why don't you allow time tracking, or why don't you create a learning platform. So those kind of ideas are probably viable for some other businesses, but it might not make sense for Trello. So product vision is very important, and product managers need to understand product vision and align with the strategic objectives of the product. Now the question comes, how do we understand product vision? So if you are actually a product manager at Trello, you would get to know the product vision by talking to the product leaders, the organizational leaders, different stakeholders. And also, typically most of the product organizations do maintain a product vision document which kind of showcases what the product vision is, where are they heading towards, and what they want to achieve in next 3 years, 5 years, or strategically in a longer term. Now in our case, because we are doing this role play, we will not have an insider view of the product vision. So the way out for us is to go to Trello.com website and then browse the website. So it happens in most scenarios that the website encapsulates the product vision and the value proposition in a very subtle manner, so that the customers who are coming onto the website will understand what Trello as a product is going to offer to them. So let us head to the website of Trello. So now we are on the website of Trello. Now what does it say? It says Trello lets you work more collaboratively and get more done. So it illustrates that Trello consists of boards, lists, cards to organize and prioritize your projects in a fun, flexible and rewarding way. And you can work with your teams, across teams, multiple teams. You can stay organized. This kind of illustrates that the ease of use is there, and you can easily get to know the information that you're looking for. You have some workflow automation available with a bot called Butler. So it has rule-based triggers, custom cards, board buttons, calendar commands, due date commands. And then I think this is a brief demo, and it says Trello Your Way, productivity platform, the team playbook, always in sync. That means it also has a mobile app, and it also claims to be a cross-device product. It's available in App Store and Google Play, and then start planning today. So what I kind of elucidate from the information that I am getting from the website is it is a project management platform, a simple project management platform which has ease of use. It is not very complicated like your Microsoft project or probably Jira, which is from the same company, Atlassian. And I think this is targeted for small and medium businesses. So let us now go back and jot down what we think is possibly the product vision of Trello. So based on what we saw, we can simply jot down the product vision of Trello as to become the project management tool of choice for small and medium businesses, to become the project management tool of choice for small and medium businesses, which is simple yet powerful, enough to facilitate task management and collaboration across teams. So we saw a couple of important interesting points from the website. So Trello claims to be the project management tool. It is targeted towards small and medium businesses. It has a ease of use aspect to it. It is simple yet powerful, and it does facilitate task management and collaboration across teams. So that is what we have jotted down in the product vision. So let's head to the product and see how Trello works.